In this video, I will show you how to get the first day of the previous month in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the first day of the previous month for these dates. For example, for the first date 15th February 2024, the first day of the previous month will be 1st January 2024. Similarly, for the second date 1st January 2024, the first day of the previous month will be 1st December 2023. I will use the Excel EO month function to get the first day of the previous month of the given date. The EO month function returns the last day of the month for the specified date. This function takes two arguments, a valid date and a number of months. A positive value of the second number of months argument gives us a future date and a negative value gives us the past date. For example, this EO month formula will return the last day of the current month. This EO month formula will return the last day of the next month, and this EO month formula will return the last day of the previous month. To get the first day of the previous month, first I will get the last day of the month, which is 2 months earlier than the given date. Once I get that, I will add 1 day to it to get the first day of the previous month. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type EO month followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Type a comma and then type -2 followed by the closing bracket. This part of the formula will give us the last day of the month that was 2 months earlier than the specified date. When we add 1 day to it, we will get the first day of the following month. Let's type a plus sign followed by 1 to add 1 day. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the first day of the previous month for all the dates. For the first date, 15th February 2024, the EO month part of the formula will return 31st December 2023 because we went back 2 months and then got the last day of that month. When we add 1 day, it will give us 1st January 2024. For the second date, 1st January 2024, the EO month part of the formula will return 30th November 2024. When we add 1 day to that date, we will get 1st December 2023 as the first day of the previous month. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.